na may troll tower. Let's go. Bro. Bro. Let's go. And I'm glitching. I'm gonna switch this to teleport. Yes, it's super. Okay. Who's there? And who's there? Now it's go. Bro. I'm afraid me. That is the shop. Bro, I have even no Robux for these, bro. Bro, who's that? I'm gonna No! Why? Bro, I'll take on revenge on revenge. No, that means he's dead. See? Dead and dead. Yeah. What's that? I'm gonna add a vid. Aaron is dead. Oh no, you're local. Boy! No! No, that... Bro, I accidentally local. Bro. I saw you, Bamban. Bruh! That's it, enough. Ban. Bro. Where's Ban? No, Russia. Just do that. Revenge. Drak is dead. Let's go. So much. Let's go. Stop. It's him. What is it? Yes, I know this. Heck. Okay, let's beat this stuff. Bro. Let's go. I'm a newbie. I'm a noob at this. Get me a play. Let's go. Fall. Wait! Bruh. I was the of no bringer. I just accidentally killed this guy here. Dead guy. Now later. Ban. You're dead, Ban. Dead. Oh, Ban. Aha, Ban. That's why I got a trolling you. Did I troll him? Or not? Lucky back. I'm scared this guy. Lucky back. You're dead. Bro, karma. Instant karma, bro. Bro, go away. Go. just
Can a simple way to
something
say
on the
fuck you
feel
up
of it.
and become a consistent against lister?
Let's go.
Stand in front of all of you, giving me thoughts of inspiration. I remember when I was younger, playing games with my sister was, you shall never surrender. You shall never
Black
give
boy,
up.
okay? Wow.
And never let obstacles
Bro, I'm a strict Nuba person.
discriminate me. I was belittled.
Ah! I'm a straight ultra Lubini. I even not get to the 12th. We cannot work. Yes,
My dear friends,
tung karun.
listen to me and remember this. People may talk behind us. People
Ah,
may not believe in us.
set
People
up.
may drag us down. But do not be
Hindi
shaken.
na set up.
We do not exist and we do not live for them.
Haha.
Because we live for the people who are free and believe in us. Because we live for our family.
Okay,
Para po sa aking mga magulang.
let me just kill this guy.
Ma,
Malawa. You're
ito na po ang
dead.
bunga ng bawat paghihirap.
Bruh. You survive.
Ng bawat pagod.
Bro, uban hagda.
Ng bawat tuya.
I'm a stupid freaking noob.
Ng bawat luha.
Uy! 9:30 na, ipas!
Ano video?
9:30 na, 9:30
Video
na.
mo.
Una!
Tagabay niyo po itong isang perasong papel
Lunchbox.
na nagsasabing
Video, damay na. Uy.
ito na po.
Yeah!
Luma ko po.
Haha. Bro. No. No. Bro, this phone is so laggy. Everything's
Buhay ko sa inyo.
shaking. What's
Ito
wrong?
po ang kinabukasan ko.
Oh my god.
At itong diploma ito ang patunay.
Too much people. Bro, he just teleported and died. Bro, set up. I said set up.
Dear graduates, let us not be afraid facing our challenges.
I barely
Pursue our dreams. Mapapagod,
I'm doing
pero
that.
hindi po susuko. Masusudahan,
I'm hitting the grenade.
pero hindi
Bruh! Who's this?
nabibigo. Let us continue making our parents proud of us. It is not easy, but I believe that it's certainly the best.
I just TP'd.
Ako, si Jared Barcelona Tacadio. Proud ka sa bahay? Nagmana ko lang. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay
No,
na
no,
kayo.
It's a noob! Bruh, why I just teleport? I need mobile. Why, bro? I want to be.
Galing mo.
I like it. I'm ultra lag.
Mama at Papa, dahil naniwala po sila sa akin. At kung kaya ko po,
Bro,
kaya
it's
rin
time
mga
lock.
kabataan dito sa atin.
Sa ngayon, nagtatrabaho na ako sa
Ah!
Kawalan Tourism
Bro, set up.
Office at ipinagpapatuloy
Bro,
na
set up.
itanim ang pangarap kong buhay para sa aking pamilya. Hanggang
my goodness.
Paano ko
I'm so
nakayanan ang
dumb.
lahat ng yun?
I need to
Paano
break
ko
the
pagtagal
set
ang
of
pag-aaral
here.
at pagkakasambahay?
This
Pero
one is
nagsimula ang lahat
Ow,
sa
help me.
pangarap at
Set up Bro, stop.
pamamagitan ng pagsisimba.
Bruh. Ayos
Hanggang
na
dito na
sunod.
lang, Diyan.
Why a bacon is in the leaderboard?
Dahilan
Top have
para
free
paghinaan ng
advocate.
loob ang sino man na tuparin ang pangarap at makontento na lamang sa kinagisnang buhay.
Set up is a
Kaiba sa
Set up is a
kanyang
straight menace.
nabuo ang determinasyon magtagumpay sa kabila ng kahirapan, kawalan ng oportunidad, at pangmamaliit ng kapwa.
Facebook.
Bagkus ang mga pagsubok pang
Just
ito,
died.
kasama
Loka.
ang matinding pagmamahal sa pamilya, ang nagsilbing inspirasyon
Uy, lunchbox
sa paggamit ng matamis na tagumpay. Ito po si Charo Santos, nagpapaalala
What?
bida
Why,
sa
bro?
kwento ng iyong buhay.
Look, is there?
Magandang gabi po,
Bro,
mga kapansin.
I gotta kill this set up. Katakas ko guys. Yes, I can escape finally. Bro, it's so globe. You're dead. Bro, Momo, I don't know what to do. No, no, please. No! Bro! Set up. No more setups allowed, bro. Die. Bro. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up, kadali? This is the video.